My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it'll be right next to me right there. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. All right, straight to it. As you can see, this is what we got right here. Just picked up today. I was debating whether or not I wanted to get this because this is my first ever SB. It's my first ever Nike SB Dunk on, yeah, that's a Nike SB Dunk. I said it right. My first ever one. I do like the way it look. I just saw it for the first time today, and it's gonna be a dry couple weeks. So I'm telling y'all right now, my channel's gonna be kind of dry for the next couple weeks when it comes, maybe a couple months when it comes to sneaker reviews, because there's not really nothing really I want that's coming out. I think I saw some 2s that's coming out that it's just a lot of shoes that I could pass and I would be okay with it. So whenever I get a sneaker that I actually do kind of want, I'm gonna get it just so I can do the review. If you hear that background noise, my dog is over there drinking water. He's going, he's killing it. He's killing it. I know y'all hear that. He's very thirsty. Casino, come here.
Can we show them?
Let's go. Come here. Come on. Come on. Jump up. There we go. There we go. You got him. Look at that. Say, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. He ain't looking at it.
He hates it.
Yeah, bullshit. Yeah. He's so spoiled. All right, go ahead. Go ahead, jump back. Okay. Once I start rubbing him, he's not gonna want me to let him go. Yeah, you a good boy sometime. You good boy sometime. Sometime. Okay, go ahead back. Look, he don't even want to get down now. Look at that. Look at that walking. Cool. There we go. All right. Anyway, back to the video. So like I said, it's gonna be kind of low on a sneaker review, so I'm trying to give y'all what I can. But enough talking. Get straight to it. If you're familiar with the Nike SB boxes, I'm guessing this is a normal box. Again, like I said, this is my first one. So see that colorful red, blue, green, yellow, white, all these different colors. Nike SB right there on the box. This is an early sneaker review too. This sneaker actually drops on Saturday, so this is a early sneaker review. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS Quick Strike. The color is Game Royal Sail Gray Fog. I think suggested retail price is $125. I could be wrong about that. Size 8.5. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. Get straight to it.
There he goes again.
There he come again. There you go. He think it's food and treats or whatever. It's just a shoe, Bookie. It's just a shoe. Nothing for you. Nothing for you. Okay. All right. So without further ado, these are nice. These is cool. These is cool. We got the Nike SB Dunk Low. I think it's called Streetwear. Boom. Okay, yeah. Like I said, I think it's called the Streetwear. If I'm not mistaken, it's called the Streetwear. I don't got my television on that shows me all my information, but I am going to use my phone. So I do got some information off of KicksOnFire.com. Oh, Fly Streetwear. That's Fly Streetwear. So yeah, shout out to KicksOnFire.com. It reads, and the retail price is $120. Dropping this month, here is an official look at the Fly Streetwear Nike SB Dunk Low Gardenia. I want to say Gardenia or Gardana collaboration. So this is a collab. The unique iteration is inspired by the fragrant Gardenia flowers. Gardenia. I know I'm saying it wrong, but we're just gonna say Gardenia. Flower was sold on the streets of Shanghai. So yeah, this is based on the flower, some flower that's sold on Shanghai. The embroidered graphic recalls sweet scented bouquets and one of the Jeff Hands, Fly Streetwear's founder. Jeff Hands is the Fly Streetwear founder. Earliest memories: skating through the perfumed city. The lush Game Royal suede and pops of key lime boost your energy quicker than a whiff of the atomic flowers. Pairing perfectly with the crisp petal white overlays, tying it all together, the crafted laces prove that no detail was left untouched. So it's a collab. It is a collab with a place, a Fly Streetwear that's in Shanghai, I guess. Yeah. Or something like that over there, overseas, like that. So, yeah, it's a lot of detail in this. As you see, they got this suede. It's suede, right? Yeah, suede. This Game Royal suede is very, very nice. Game Royal with kind of like these rope laces. I love rope laces. That thick, plush Nike SB tongue. On this one, it says SB, Nike SB. On the other one, I'm gonna take it out because I know it says something else. Yeah, it's the logo for the Streetwear Fly or Street Flywear, something like that. Yeah, what is it? Yeah, Streetwear Flywear on that tongue. On this one, it says the Nike SB. I'll just leave this right here because I think that's the only thing that's really separated. It got the some Chinese writing or Japanese writing, excuse me, Korean writing. So I apologize if I got that wrong. But on the inside of the insole, I'm not gonna pull it out. I'm definitely not gonna pull it out. Pause. But on the inside of there, right there, got that cream midsole that matches the rope laces and a Nike swoosh. Like you see, like it's kind of like a flower right there, like petals almost. This double-breasted Nike swoosh right there. Got that green apple suede on the back heel, which is kind of like furry, and on the tips of the laces. You can see that right there. Boom. Very detailed shoe. I like it. Again, this is my first. Oh, and it got the logo right there. Or on the side. Sorry, I don't really got too much more details about it, like to know really what this stuff actually is. But I mean, I like it. Again, got that leather toe box. Nice leather toe box. I like it. The gray side panels. That's more gray. So it's like Game Royal white, that tan, it's like that, in gray. And it's gray on the bottom with the Nike SB logo on the bottom. This is my second collaboration of the month. I did go get the Air Jordan 4. The Air Jordan 4 dunks. What is that a collaboration with? That's the damn. That kind of makes me mad that I forgot that. I just got a whole brain fart. Air Jordan 4 the Pine Greens. It's a collab with SB. Yeah, Nike SB. Yeah, Nike SB and Air Jordan 4. Yeah. So same thing as this. So I don't know why I got a brain fart on that, but this is my second SB collab. I think collabs might be kind of dying out though, to be honest with you. Like, they're not what they used to be, but I think it's because they pumping them out so much. But I like the shoe. I love the blue, but you know, we gotta leave it up to classic though. So classic, 1 to 10. What you giving the shoe?
5.5.
5.5. That's low.
Because why would they add yellow and?
Well, that's the
red?
box. Don't worry about the box. The box, all the SB boxes are like this. It has nothing to do with the shoe. All the SB. So like, cause I know this is your first time seeing this box because I don't buy SBs, but all of the SB boxes are like that. So take away the box. The box has nothing to do with the shoe. What's your grade for the shoe?
7.
Okay, that's a good score. I'm gonna give it an 8. I like it. I love the rope laces. Wait, why are you giving it a 7?
Because there's only one, green.
Yeah, the green apple.
Yeah. Too much white.
You wish it was more color?
Yeah.
Okay, I like it. I'm gonna give it an 8 because I love the Game Royal blue. This is a nice blue, and I've been wanting a shoe with rope laces. Like, I seen somebody do a custom with some rope laces on some I think Jordan 1 lows, or it might have been some Dunk lows. I can't remember, but I wanted rope laces ever since then, and I love the look of rope laces. I love this Game Royal. I don't really like the Nike swoosh that much. It's more solid on the inside. and then it goes to like a not even double breasted, almost like double breasted on the outside. But I like it. I think it's a good shirt. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all gonna go for this? This comes out Saturday, March today is the 22nd. Today's Wednesday, the 23rd, 24th, 25th. March the 25th, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, March the 25th. That's when it drops. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, March the 25th is when it drops. Let me know if y'all gonna go for this. It drops 10 o'clock a.m. Not normally. Usually drops 7 a.m. Shoes drop 7 a.m. but this dropping 10 a.m. But y'all let me know. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below and next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.